Good day, everybody. I want to talk about 4Qua, the artist. 4QUA. Hey, you know I'm talking about you. Yeah, 4Qua. We miss you on YouTube. We try to go to your site, and you understand the site is suspended. Your videos are suspended. He had about 107 videos, and these videos are dedicated to art, music, and all kinds of stuff. This young fella from Britain is a great artist, and it's going places. It's still going places. And I remember when I first got into uploading, I was the first person to welcome me to his family, YouTube. He's a conscious artist, and not only about black people, about everybody in the world, about oppression, about justice. That's what this guy is talking about. I was fortunate enough to watch about three of his videos, and they are very captivating. And let me tell you, when you start talking about people in prison, people in captivity, that is what we are all about. He had a video on that, and he was talking on that. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to see that video. So we miss you a lot, Fakwa. You got to come back to YouTube. Come back as a better artist, as a you know better artist. You are going to come back as a better artist. Yeah. We got to get loose in Jesus' name. Okay, we got to come back. We miss you. You are doing a good job, and we are not very many like you in YouTube. A lot of people come here and just show some stupid videos. And we are talking about what you are talking about is real. What you're showing us is real. And you have to come back. We need more of that. So we miss you a lot. You got to come back. And I hope YouTube will be people at YouTube will be able to receive you back. Thank you.